How to stitch on TikTok with a saved video. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to stitch on TikTok with a saved video. So let's begin right away. So just a disclaimer, there is no way to stitch on TikTok with a saved video, for example, your camera roll. However, I will be teaching you an alternative of that one. So first, make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. And if not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open TikTok and then save the video that you want to stitch. So for example, this one. Just simply press and hold and click on Save Video right here. And then once you have saved the video, you may now press on the plus button found on the bottom mid of your screen and then choose Effects right here. So click on Effects and search for Green Screen Video. And then once you're here, simply choose this one, the second option, which is the green screen video filter or effect. So click on it and then choose the video that you want. So you may choose the video right here or press on the plus button right here. For example, I will choose this one. Just simply click on it and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, what you're going to do is to click on next right here, or you may also trim the video as well. Click on next once you're done, and then you may turn off the effects video, I mean the green screen video. Just simply click on it and click on the um, button right here on the upper left. And then now you may add a video by recording one. So you may either um, put another video using the same filter, or you may also record a new one. So once you're done, you may now proceed with the uploading or the editing of your video, and then that's it. That's how you can stitch on TikTok with a saved video. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.